Mechanical headway has acquired their extreme crease changes, particularly as far as blockchain arrangements. The uncommon Vechain exchanging stage currently offers the bulky cycles that made the hierarchical development late. This remarkable blockchain-based organization is instrumental in changing elements of an association more creative and techniques, all the more obvious. Allow us to look at the ongoing subtleties of Vechain and comprehend the Vechain cost expectation for what's in store. The cerebrums behind this blockchain-based arrangement, Sunny Liu, made his blessing from heaven in 2015, an objective that was to make the store network and the board lifecycle flawless. Bright Liu conveyed his immense involvement with the field with his spell at Louis Vuitton China before this endeavor. For the establishment, Vechain brags of being the finished arrangement taken care of inventory network improvement prerequisites. The credit for acquiring extremist changes the item lifecycle through a proficient overseeing framework goes to Vechain. While seeds of Vechain's starting point can be followed back to Ethereum code, today, the major credits of Vechain are fundamentally put to use in installment organizing, casting a ballot, brilliant agreements, and substantially more. Because of imaginative arrangements from Vechain, engineers can today give highlights equipped straightforwardly to business customer base. Vechain record and check each data about the production network development which further guarantee security. Mission Vechain. To comprehend Vechain Foundation, one requirements to scrutinize the beginning. The main role behind making this sort of blockchain organization was to resolve the issues being experienced by the coordinated factors area, particularly with regards to dissipated and disproportionate information. While the business battles huge information traffic every day, sadly, a framework to make this information transmittable and very much smoothed out was the center issue that stayed neglected. Serious compartmentalization leaves the whole production network the executives in the most extreme number of cases to depend on concentrated information sources. Eventually this brought about an information transmission that was less credible and hazier. Vechain. Rendering multi-dimensional transformation. The characters through advanced mode made on Vechain token called VED are answerable for getting more prominent responsibility the total inventory network the board. The essential idea of the Vechain or VED advancement arrangement is to improve inventory network the board and item lifecycle the executives. This goal is achieved using appropriated record innovation, DLT, of Vechain. Vechain has empowered NFC and RFID radio frequency identification chips-driven reconnaissance. All the while, the Vechain blockchain stage has likewise permitted the utilization of QR codes and supply the board. The labels and sensors are a critical piece of Vechain usefulness. Through this, Vechain can follow and manage significant information and supply-based strategies. This data is transferred survive this blockchain stage. This approach helps the business examiners in impeccable and quick information the board in light of a valid confirmation framework. This methodology is of fundamental significance, particularly for huge complex stockpile chains. As an organization, Vechain assists ventures with keeping steady vigil and business refreshed in view of simultaneous turns of events. Vechain has worked with a not so much bulky but rather more compelling verification of authority agreement through Know Your Client confirmed hubs empowered by the VET Foundation. Without a doubt thanks are because of Vechain comprised enormous organizations. The two blockchain network tokens, VED and Vechain Thor serving production network arrangements, are prestigious for making a computerized wave in the digital currency market.
Vechain is the excellent money medium that has tracked down its execution in installments and casting a ballot. Simultaneously, Vether tokens (VTHO) is a token given to Vechain proprietors to run shrewd agreements on the Vechain Thor blockchain. Get your Vechain by all means. The presence of Vechain is tremendous in contrast with different contenders. Obviously, a huge justification for this is the critical benefits expressed herein above. Various stages offer the possession benefit of Vechain VET. A noticeable and notable is by means of Binance, which is the world's biggest cryptographic money trade. The ease of use and plenty of coins go with the stage, an undeniable decision among the fans. Also, the enrollment cycle goes in under a couple of moments, similar to some other Amazon shopping in the first place. You need to make a record with all the essential data and a secret key to sign in. You will likewise be educated that the site utilizes confided in outsiders to offer the types of assistance to go through the purchasing system, and consequently, the data is to be imparted to them. In this way, everything about Vechain is straightforward or more bored. Clutching your Vechain close to your heart, can you stand to lose your MasterCard or wallet? God prohibit, no. So why lose your number one money? You can now securely store Vechain in countless ways. It is suggested that you purchase an equipment wallet that is a more secure bet than versatile wallets, since they keep your Vechain disconnected in chilly capacity. To exchange your Vetcoins in the digital currency markets or look for a speedy return, you will need to store your crypto on the Vechain portable wallet. This gives ease en route and is furnished with every one of the notable highlights you expect at a brilliant future cost. Also, it is downloadable on your Android and Apple gadgets and is free. Loads of merchants and cost expectation stages dwell on the lookout, which breaks down future Vechain cost forecast. Guarantee the opposition level, support level are not excessively hopeful or cynical individually. Wallet Financial Backer is a famous figure site that makes specialized investigation-based value expectations of different digital currencies on an incredible venture. As per the estimate examiners of Wallet Financial Backer market expectation and specialized investigation, the outcome would be that Vechain value forecast may be exchanging at $0.318 over the course of the following 5 years, according to the ongoing energy and vet cost today. This Vechain figure is exceptionally bullish and hopeful. Vechain Price Prediction 2022. As indicated by Vechain cost expectation, the market gives off an impression of being hopeful, and it might stretch around $0.056 for 2022. The expected value of Vechain's coin will bull to 5 cents in transient, giving fascinating return by year end. Our Vechain value expectations ought not be understood as venture exhortation. Financial backers are prescribed to convey their own exploration for vet cost examination, support level, and opposition level to limit the gamble engaged with such an unpredictable market. Vechain Price Prediction 2023. Out of many vet cost expectations or Vechain cost forecasts out there, our Vechain conjecture uncovers the normal vet cost could be $0.063.